this video, we'll be checking out the Superior Deluxe room here in Manila Hotel. So let's take a look. Here is the hallway on the way to your rooms. So we're now here currently at the 9th floor of the Manila Hotel. According to them, this has the Manila Bay view. So when you go inside, you'll be greeted by this is the cabinet with iron and ironing board, and I think this is where you can hang your clothes. Dilim. Oh, sorry. So when you open the cabinet, the light will turn on, and here's what the hanger looks like. And then on your left side, you have the do not disturb and please make up room buttons that you can turn on. And then here in the bathroom, we have the toilet here with the telephone, and there's a painting, shower room, and then they have a bathtub here. I think that's a TV. Is that TV? Yes, so we have towels here, and shower head, the bathtub, and toiletries. You can see we have the shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, body lotion, sanitary bag, vanity kit, and shower cup. There are 2 glass dental kit, and we have the soap. Here we have some towels as well. And here we have the safety deposit box with laundry bag, and then some drawers here for additional storage. And here we have the bottled water with glasses and some coffee cups. We have also here the thermos electric kettle. And complimentary, these are sugar, coffee mate, some tea, and stevia sweetener. And I think this is the mini fridge. And you have here, what's this? Ay, push pala, sorry. Kasi nagbabasa. So, drawers, additional drawers. And here you got the lamp where you place your luggage. For the bed, this is the 2 single beds. And we have a telephone here with complimentary pencil. Ito. In-room dining. And have a chair, and this is the view of the Manila Bay. Too many construction. And we have the vanity table here. And I think the blower is here. Oh, yes. Here is the TV. And ito. Additional storage. So we also have complimentary fruits. And that's the room tour. Hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye!